Hi everyone, welcome back to Jenny's Countdown to Christmas, day 6. We're gonna open this. I'm so excited. My name is Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distance. Thank you for joining me today. I did finish the trees. We will talk about them in a little bit. Interesting project. They're really cute looking, but ooh, they were a booger to make. But I'll talk about that in a few minutes. Let's first get to today's item. And I can tell you, if today's item is a tool to help you make the twists to make these trees, I'm gonna be pretty upset because it was intense. So I'm hoping it's not because, oh, yeah. All right, let's see. So yesterday I couldn't figure it out. It's squishy up here, like hard right here. I don't know. All right, let's open it up. Oh, this is pretty. Look at that. It's like a rolling pin. There's a paper in here too. That's really nice. It's really pretty with the quilt designs. Let's see what the paper is. Oh my goodness. All right, this is really cute, and this kind of goes with those plates that everybody's still talking about, by the way. So this is, I guess you roll this over your cookie dough to make the imprints of the quilt blocks, maybe? Okay, there is a recipe here too, and it does say, carefully roll the quilty rolling pin over the dough to create repeating quilt block designs. Cut into squares and use your favorite cookie cutter, or use your favorite cookie cutter shapes. All right, I might try making these. This is really cute. Even if you had this sitting on a stand or something, you know, or on a shelf or something like that. All right, I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try it. My husband will be happy too if I make cookies. All right, so warning, I'm gonna guess for day 7. It's right here. I'm warning, I'm lifting it up. Okay, all right, so day 7. I think it's fabric. Pretty sure it's fabric. I think it's another charm pack. That's what it feels like. I hope so. You know how much I love fabric. We will see tomorrow. It's definitely squishy like a charm pack. Oh, can't wait. All right, and totals, and then we'll talk about the trees. So my running total, I forgot my cheat sheet. Let me get it. Okay, I'm back. So the kit for these trees, I'm putting at $20. And the reason is because these cones are not cheap, and they're the smooth cones. They're not the styrofoam like bumpy cones. They're super smooth, which are a little bit more money. And you also got a pattern and the stars. This was tricky to put a price with it. I couldn't find anything like it out there. You had to buy pieces in bits and pieces, or they were kits that were huge. So I'm going with $20. Last year we had the little embroidery trees, which are actually for sale right now on the Missouri Star Quilt Company. I can't remember what I priced them out last year, but they're $25 for that kit, which I doubt I priced it that high. So I am gonna be a little bit more generous with this, just because the cones are so nice and the sizes of the cones. So that brings us, for the first 5 days, to a value of $68. And that means the remaining amount of value is $111.95. I think that the value is absolutely there. Of course, I thought that last year too. So, you know, it really just depends. I think the experience is worth it. All right, let's talk about these trees. First of all, it uses scrap fabric a lot more than you think. And there's 3 of them, okay? And it was tricky. Making this twine was harder than I thought it would be. I thought I could use a drill to twist them, or egg beaters or something like that, but the way you make them is you twist 3 times and then you wrap it around something not twisted. Then you twist the not twisted one 3 times and you wrap that around. It was a lot of work. It doesn't look it when you look at these trees, but it was a lot of work, because each one of these, I think this one hooked 9 yards of twine, and I think this one was like 7.5 yards, and this was 4 yards. So all in all, I had to make a lot of yardage of twine. I ended up getting blisters on my thumbs doing it, but that's okay, because when I hot glued them on, the blisters came right off when I burned them off with the hot glue. It's been an experience. If I didn't do these in, you know, a 24-hour period, or I don't know, it took me like 12 hours or something to make these things, it would have been a lot more enjoyable, but I did want to finish them for you, so I did have to be on a timeline a little bit. And also my hot glue gun, it's right here actually, because I just finished too long ago. The hot glue gun is from probably 1985 and is super hot. So I would use a low melt hot glue gun. I would anticipate a lot more fabric than you think you're gonna need. It will go faster if you use a 1-inch strip instead of a 1/2-inch strip. And I would just take your time with this. If you have any mobility issues in your hands, you might want to maybe use yarn or something like that instead of making the twine. My hands and wrists ache from this, and I do not have arthritis as of yet. I might have carpal tunnel after this whole experience, but I don't have any problems with my mobility in my hands. So if you do, be cautious with this. They are adorable. They'd be really cute, even like sprayed with glitter. I'm not sure I love the toppers, but you absolutely could replace them with something else. So yeah, they're fun to make. I would take your time making them. I wouldn't do them in 12 hours or whatever that I had to do. It was a lot of fun. I like the end product. Probably will feel a little bit better about these tomorrow after my fingers heal a little bit. And yeah, so that's that. I hope you enjoyed this. I will see you tomorrow when we open up day 7's package. I hope you take some time to sew. See you real soon. Bye.